It looks like you.
Don't make any sense. Don't scare him. Let him just... Dinner finished.
Dinner finished?
Mm-hmm. Dinner finished.
Well, we're about to finish dinner. I mean, I was okay the whole day, but I was just really tired. He's recording me!
Okay. Everybody calm down.
Oh my god. Yeah, anyway, my last 30 minutes of work was cool because I was outside.
Yeah.
Then I went to my horseback riding lesson. And when I got there, I just felt really tired. My instructor was telling me a bunch of stuff. And I was like, excuse me, I'm just kind of slow right now because I'm tired. And she's like, oh, if you don't want to ride today, it's fine. You can just... I was like, no, I want to ride today.
Yeah, I drove all the way here.
Yeah, I drove all the way
I'm
here.
not gonna
I'm not going to not ride on the horse.